ranking the best sound effect pranks ever.
At least 2 pounds a day until we have a pope. When we do, they will have Snow White. Guys. You're on your own.
Yo, was that you?